Okay, welcome to this online class. So today I'm going to show us very briefly how to set up your table of contents. I have a demo report here that has been prepared. So you know when you have a report, you have it in chapters, chapter 1, 1.0, 1.1, 1.1.1, 1.1.2, and on and on and on. So I just have like 2 chapters here just for reference sake. So I'm going to create a space here for my table of contents. So I'm going to push this down, just hit the enter key several times. So come here, I'll type table of contents, table of contents. Okay, so let's just go to the next page, hit enter key. Okay, it's fine. So I'll come back here. Now I'm going to save this. So what I need to do is, before you do your table of content, you're going to apply these styles. Notice the last time we skipped this because I wanted to show you how to use it here. Now the first thing you're going to do is that you see all of these first chapters that are written, chapter 1, chapter 2, so all those titles we're going to use heading, a special heading style for it. So this time we can create our own heading styles, or we use the ones that are available, heading 1, heading 2. So let's create our own. So I'm going to come here, create a style. Let's cancel this, let's put this outside. So I'm going to come here, create a style, and I'm going to call it style 1. It's fine. So first of all, you need to modify the style, change the text to what we are using, Times New Roman, change the font size to 12. You can leave it as bold, and the color automatic, that's black, and you click OK. So that's style 1. So our style 1 will be applied to all these chapter 1s. Now you notice that we have 1.0, 1.1, 1.1.1. So when you have this numberings that are 1.0, we'll use another style. So when you have 1.1.1, you notice it's now like 3 positions. We'll create another style for it. Okay, so let's use the 1.0. So I'll go and create another style. I'll create a style. This is style 2. I'll modify it. I'll change this to Times New Roman. I'll change this to 12. I'll make it bold. It's automatic. That's the color. I click OK. So, but we need to undo it from here. Just select this, and because we don't want to apply it yet, click normal. So, okay, select it again. Make sure it is Times New Roman, and make sure it is 12. Okay, so let's go on. Now we have another level. You see, this is 1.1, 1.1.1. So create style 3. Let's take this cursor out so that it doesn't keep applying it. So go to style, create style 3, modify, make it bold, Times New Roman, so fine, it's automatic. Just click OK, and then you have 3 styles already applied. So check if you have any other levels. So if you have 1.1.1 again, 1.1, so you have the 4th level, you create another style. But for now, if I look through our document, we don't have more than those 3 levels. So what I'm going to do is all the first levels, like all the chapter 1s, I will select it and I'll apply style 1. You see that? Chapter 2, I'll select it and I'll apply style 1. I'll go back to 1.0, all the 1.0, 2.1, all those kind of numberings, we apply style 2. So I'll select this, style 2. This 1.1.1 will be style 3. 1.1.2 will be style 3. 1.2 will be style 2. 1.3 will be style 2. 2.0 will be style 2. 2.1 style 2. 2.1.1 style 3. 2.1.2 style 3. 2.2 back again to style 2. I'm sure you get the way this is done. Okay, very easy. Style 3, and that is what we have for now. So save, go back to where you want to insert your table of content, and then you come to references. So you see your table of contents. So you can insert an automatic table. Custom table of contents. Okay, I was using the headers. Options. So I'm going to change this to the styles. 1, 2, and 3. So click OK. Click. Go back to the options again. We need to remove this. We're not using this. Click OK. Click OK. So you see our table of contents is right here on the screen. So you can see you have the chapter 1. You can see the page numbers to are applied. So don't forget, you can go back to insert to just confirm what you have. Page numbers, bottom of page. So you see, any update you make on this document, it automatically is shown here. Let me zoom it so that you can see clearly. Any update you make, you can see all the sections you have been automatically added to your table of contents. So you can come back and bring this up a bit. Now to update this table of content, all you need to do is come back here, click on it, right click, you can update field to ask if you want to update page numbers only or entirety. If you made some corrections, you can update the entire table and you can see the numbers will change also. All right, thank you for listening.